In today's video, I'm going to talk about very simple method to plan our day-to-day tasks using Microsoft Excel. When I say day-to-day task, it could be opening an Excel workbook with multiple sheets or already saved file, working on a specific file daily, checking team updates, their KPIs, and collecting information from specific websites such as checking daily exchange rate from bank sites and the bank balance, investments. Then opening specific folder daily to access required data such as sales information, weekly report, etc. could be a time consuming activity if not organized properly. Therefore, it's important to have a do list daily to arrange our work easily. Well, majority of us know this command called hyperlink or link. But do we exactly know how to use it and how to structure it? Let me teach you the exact method that will be a life learning experience. Let's dive in. First, let me show you how I have easily managed my work. Then I take you through my work list and how to link sheets in the same workbook, how to link folders, how to link specific web, and how to edit the hyperlink. So basically we are talking about the hyperlink, and I will show you how to create buttons and link as well. So as you can see in my screen, my daily task list. So I have listed 8 tasks: my training docs, QAT project, weekly report, month end work, AI for assistant, sports new, my learning, and my folder whereas I used to go and work frequently. If I move this mouse pointer, it will convert into a hand, right? That means all my work has been linked to each location. I'll show you how quickly I can move on to each document and folders. If I click on my training document, it will take me to my training documents. If I click on QAT project, it will come to my QAT project. If I click on my weekly report, yes, it will take me to the weekly report. If I click on AI for assistant, yes, it will take me to a website whereas I can start working with AI technology, right? I can type my message here, right? If I want to watch any sport news at my leisure time, if I click on sport news, at a second it will quickly move into the sport news, whereas I can select one of the favorite sports and check the news there. At the same time, I keep record on my learnings. If I click on my learnings, I can go to Wikipedia and learn on new things, right? Likewise, I can make my work and life very easy. At the click of a second, it will take me to the required place to open my file and work. So let me show the same thing, how I can make it big, fancy and look nicer, right? Here I have created buttons, but these buttons also perform the same task. If I click on weekly, I'll take you to one of the buttons I have already linked. You can see, like, if I move, it convert into hand mark, otherwise not convert because I have not linked. So if I click on QAT project, it will come to QAT project. If I click on my channel, it will directly take it to my channel here. As you can see, likewise you can make your life easy and work easy, right? Let's start how we can do this. How can link and make things available in a structured manner to do it. So what I do is I will quickly copy paste special here, right? Then no links. So let me take you through how we can easily link to the sheets in the same workbook. So here I wanted to link to report tables and the graphs. So what I do is in my task list I will add one more topic here, report tables. Then you right click and select link. So when you select link, onto your left hand side you can see these 4 icons. The first one says existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, email address, etc. So what are we going to do here is place in this document. So I wanted to link to report tables, right? So when I select report table, it will take you to the exact cell as well, A1, right? Click OK. You can see it's converted to a column then with a hand. Click here, so it will take it to the report table. So as I go down, there are specific tables, but if I specifically go to marketing expense table, I should give the exact cell reference. So cell reference is A37, right? A37. At the same time, if I want to go back to my task list, I can create a link here. So I can mention as return to summary, right? You know what to do now. Right click on the header, link, place in this document. Then we have to go back to my task list, select my task list and click OK. Yes, automatically come back to the original sheet. So if I want to exact cell reference, if you can remember, we have to come to A37, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to edit this. So click here, right click, select edit hyperlink. Then I think we need to go to report table A37. So type in cell reference in there. Default shows as A1. You need to change to A37. And click OK. Now click and see, it will take you to the exact A37. So you can go back by click on return to summary. This way you can move around sheets very quickly, even at a meeting, and you can go back to the original sheet even for agenda or your summary, right? Let me show you another example on how to create your and moving into website, right? So in this case I'll take sport news. So let me go and see. So I need to know the exact website. So we'll copy the website first, web address, right? So right click on the sport news and select link. In this case we are going to select existing file of web page. Select web page, under address give the web address and click OK. So if you click OK, right, it's converted to a link. So you can see it's linked to www.bbc.com sports football. If I click, automatically you can go to the BBC Sports web page. So that's how you can link to web pages. So if I want to give the link to a specific folder, maybe my month end folder. Okay, let me select this one and do it and show you. Go to folder, right click on the header, select link. So we are going to select existing file, click on existing file, and my month end folder is in desktop. I have created the folder in desktop, so select the folder, then click OK. Right, see, it will show the exact location: C drive, user, my PC, desktop. So if I click, automatically taken to the correct location. If I go to month end folder, I have folders. So I'm in February month, so I have already completed my January month end, so I can work on the current month. So it's a quick way of moving between folders. So likewise, we know now how to move around sheets in the same workbook. Go to a web, refer to a web, or moving into a folder. At the same time, let me show you how we can create a button as well. So I'll show you one. So what we can use here is click on insert and select shapes. I can select my favorite shape here. Okay, select one shape. I can change the color. Right click on the shape, maybe this. Mention it as month end folder. So I name it as month end folder. You can make it nice, can align, cool, right? So objective is to select month end folder. What I do is I click, right click, and select link. So I can remember my month end folder is in desktop. From the drop down, I select desktop, and my folder is here, month end folder. Click on the month end folder and click OK. So if link is activated, when you move the mouse pointer, you can see the hand mark, then it will show the location as well. See, uses my PC, desktop, month end folder. If I click, it will take you to the exact place. I hope you have learned something from this. It's a lifetime learning which you can arrange and structure your day-to-day work or monthly work. Then it's a matter of opening the My Daily Task list every morning and start working on this. So you can link all your work in My Daily Task list. You can easily work around and you can save a lot of time. Thank you for watching this Excel tips and tricks video. I hope you have enjoyed, learned it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.